If Finder search isn't working on your Mac or color tags aren't showing up correctly, the most reliable fix is resetting Spotlight indexing using terminal. And don't get overwhelmed by terminal, this is very straightforward. You'll just copy and paste few commands. Let me assure you, this does not delete your files. It only rebuilds the search index. So let's do it. First, open terminal. You can find it by opening Spotlight and then typing terminal. Once terminal is open, run these commands one by one. You can find all these commands in my video description, just copy and paste it from there. So the first one is turn indexing off. Just copy this command, paste it into the terminal and then press enter. Now type in your Mac password and press enter again. You won't see the password while typing, that's normal. The next one is turn indexing back on. So again, just copy and paste the command from the video description and paste it into your terminal and then press enter. The third and the final command is turning on the force reindexing of your main drive. So this will basically force a full reindex of your main drive. So just copy and paste and then press enter. This clears the old index and rebuilds it from scratch. So the final step now is wait for the indexing to complete. Spotlight will now start the reindexing of your files. This can take few minutes to a couple of hours, but if you have very few files, it would most probably take between 8 to 10 minutes. You can see the progress by just opening up the Spotlight search and you'll see that small progress bar showing the indexing progress. While indexing is running, Finder search may feel slow or inconsistent. Once indexing finishes, Finder search should work normally again and color tags should start appearing correctly. If this video helps you out, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This is Abdul Moiz signing out and I'll see you in the next one.